In front of me is Motorola Edge Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner, and to add an audio file, scroll all the way down, hit attach file and choose audio at the top. You can also pick one of those apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, after you find your audio file, you need to click on it to add it. If you want to add a video one, use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Click on your video here to add it, or select gallery, find it here and add it thanks to add button at the top right corner. If you still can't find it, select gallery, click folders here and add your video file the same way you would an audio one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!